Hello, dear students. I welcome you to today's class. Children, as you know, we have completed the last chapter in geography, life in the deserts. This was the last chapter that we have done. While finishing the last video, we have discussed that now we will be going through the question and answers of the chapter. So here I am with the question and answers of the chapter Life in the Desert. Okay, children? So let's start the discussion of this chapter's question and answers. Children, the first question is that what are the two types of desert found in the world? Very simple question. As you know, we have already done it in the book itself. The two types of desert, of course, the cold desert and hot desert. In the beginning, when we had started, so I was a bit worried that actually what is this cold desert. So we had a lot of discussions on cold desert, and now the explanation about the cold desert is quite clear. Okay, children. So two type of deserts are found in the world. One is the cold desert and other is the hot desert. Okay, children. Second question, when we are talking about children, here I would like to mention that when you are talking about the cold desert and you are talking about the hot desert, do mention the example here. Got it? Please mention the example. That is very important. Otherwise, your answer remains incomplete. Got it, children? So please go through the example once. Cold desert के लिए you will be writing whichever example you want. Not necessarily you will be talking about Ladakh. You can mention about some other place as well, children. So do mention it. And hot desert के लिए, of course, there is Sahara. There is Mongolian deserts. Lot of deserts are there. आप hot desert के लिए कोई भी example दे सकते हो. Please do mention the example. Then only your answer would be complete. Okay, children? So now let's move to the next question. In which continent is the Sahara Desert located? Of course, it's in Africa. Simple answer. 1 markers. For 1 mark, these kind of questions could be asked. Got it, children? Okay. What are the climatic conditions of Ladakh Desert? Ladakh Desert में the climate is very cold. The extremely cold and dry due to high altitude because it is situated on a very high place. That's why climate is very cold and dry, and the air at this altitude is very thin. Okay, so because the air is very low, it is very thin. So what happens is the human body feels the stroke of heat very much. I mean, sun shines very widely. Sun shines very harshly in Ladakh. Got it, children? So this is what that you need to mention. Okay. We have read that so many tourists I'm sorry. So many tourists are coming to Ladakh. Why are they coming? So explanation is here, children. There is a lot of natural beauty, and we have already discussed about the Gompas. Yes, please do mention about the Gompas. Then they also want to see the meadows, the glaciers, and they see all the type of ceremonies that are organized in Ladakh, and the festivals. Mainly, lot of tourists are getting attracted in Ladakh because of the different kind of festivals and the great pomp and show that is there in Ladakh. Do mention about it. थोड़ा एक दो line इसमें try to add it from your own side. Okay, children? So, next question. What type of cloth do the people wear in Sahara Desert? Yes, they are wearing heavy robe. Remember, we have discussed one big kind of a cloth that is there from top to bottom. Okay, heavy robe because of the intense heat that is there, extreme heat that is there. To protect themselves from that extreme heat, the people in Sahara are wearing these kind of robes. Why? Because they want to save themselves against the dust storms and hot winds. Yes, hot winds are blowing, which is at times very intolerable. That's why the Sahara Desert people are wearing heavy robes. Okay. Next, children, the trees that are growing in Ladakh, please talk about it. Yes, different kind for flora and fauna. The topic that was there where we have talked about the flora and fauna. So, abhi we are mentioning here about the groves of willows and poplars. Children, one very important thing we have discussed about willows. What did we discuss? Yes. Please mention that. क्या था? क्या था? Yes, it is about the best quality of bat. बैट, वो जो बॉल बैट वाला, क्रिकेट वाला जो बैट होता है, दैट इज मेड, बेस्ट क्वालिटी बैट्स आर मेड फ्रॉम द वुड ऑफ विलोज. Got it? So that makes this plant very important, and the willows that are there and the poplars that are there are found in abundance in Ladakh. Very rarely found in the plain region. It is found in the mountainous region. So we are talking about willows and poplars. Fruit trees are also found. Which fruit trees are found, children? Apple, apricots, walnuts. ठीक है, all these fruits are found in abundance. काफ़ी ज़्यादा यहाँ पे grow होता है. Please do mention about it. Got it? Okay. Then you have the children, the multiple choice questions that are here. Sahara is located in which part of Africa? While we were going through the map work, remember the map work? Yes. In that map work, we have seen that it is towards the northern part. Sahara is located in the northern part of Africa. Got it, children? Okay. In Sahara, which kind of desert we are finding? In Sahara, we are easily finding the hot desert. Got it? Yes, of course, this is the answer. It is mentioned here. Ladakh is mainly inhabited by Buddhists and Muslims. ठीक है, Muslims are there and Buddhists are there who have constructed lot of gompas and they are following the Buddhism religion. Got it, children? Then we have the another story of the deserts. Deserts में you have scanty vegetation, heavy precipitation, low evaporation. Low evaporation is not the answer. So scanty vegetation. Hemis is the Ladakh. In the Ladakh, Hemis is famous. क्या है? Yes, Ladakh में you don't find temple or church ना, so it's monastery. Then we talk about Egypt. Best quality cotton. ठीक है, cotton comes from Egypt. Children, then you have the match the following. Match the following में the first one is oasis. Oasis. How is oasis formed? It is because of the depression with water. ऊपर से जब बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर पड़ता है तो इफ देयर इज एनी वाटर बॉडी इनसाइड इन द हॉट डेजर्ट इट कम्स अप. ठीक है, इट कम्स ऑन द सर्फेस एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ वाटर बॉडी इज कॉल्ड एज एन ओएसिस. गॉट इट? देन वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट द Bedouins. Okay, who are the Bedouins? Bedouins are the tribal people who are found in Sahara region. Oil tanks and oil reserves are found in which place? So we have mentioned about Libya. Okay, so we are finding oil reserves in Libya. What is Gangri? Gangri is a glacier. Got it, children? So we are talking about Gangri, and Gangri is a glacier. Then Lamairu. What is Lamairu? Lamairu is a monastery. So you will be doing the also. Now just check. You have to give some reasons. Why does it happen that there is scanty vegetation in the deserts? Deserts may the vegetation that is there, the vegetables that are grown is very less. Very scanty vegetation is there in the deserts. How come it happens? तो scanty vegetation क्यों है? Because climate is not very good there. Due to unfavorable climate, please mention about it. The conditions for the flora world, matlab to grow vegetation, the temperature conditions are not very favorable. Okay, desert area mein we have extreme heat or extreme cold, due to which proper vegetation doesn't occur in these places. Got it? आप ये बताओगे. And low rainfall is there, which is not very suitable for vegetation. Vegetation के लिए this kind of a low rainfall is not needed, because you know lot of water is needed for proper vegetables to grow. Now people of Sahara Desert wear heavy robes, big, ठीक है, big kaftan type of cloth they are wearing. So they wear, why do they wear? Because you know extreme heat is there, and wind is there. There are also dust storms, hot winds. Got it? तो ये कारण है, because you are giving the reasons. So my dear students, you have to give the reasons that why do the people wear that kind of cloth in the Sahara region. Got it, children? So dust storms, hot winds containing sand is common, and it is helping them to for the protection from the sun. Okay. So children, here we have completed the question and answers. Let us start the new chapter. Now let me make one thing very clear here. यहाँ पे मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताना चाहूँगी that now only 2 chapters are left. After that your syllabus would be completed. So let's begin the second last chapter of your syllabus. Let's do it, children, and then it would be over. Okay, chalo, let's start the new chapter. Hello dear students, welcome now, welcome back. Question answers are over, chapter is over. So now we are starting with the last chapter in political science, which you in normal language, in common language, you call it as civics. Yes. So now we are beginning with the last chapter of your civics. With this, as we have completed the syllabus in geography, we will be completing the syllabus in political science as well. Okay. So what is this chapter about? What are we talking about? Let's understand. Got it? Let's try to understand that what are the major things that we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, first let's see the name of the chapter. What is the name of the chapter? Dear students, it is about equality. Do we treat you equally? Are you equal? Can you be treated equally like your दीदीज एंड भैयाज? ओके, नहीं भाई, उनका तो their study mode is a bit different from whatever you are studying and whatever you are doing. Got it, children? So equality, in which manners we will be talking about equality, and what are the concepts of equality that we are going to stress on, this is what we will be doing later. Okay, about equality, remember we have done one chapter previously also. Yes, we were talking about equality. Yes, जिसमें हमने वाल्मीकि के बारे में पढ़ा था. We read about Valmiki, we read about Kanta, we read about Ansari, Melanie, Swapna. Who are these people? And why are we talking about their equality? Let us understand that. We need to understand that. Then it would be clear what actually does equality mean. Okay, let's understand it in a proper manner. How does equality affect the lives of the people and the working conditions of the people? Got it? So this is what we are talking about in this chapter. Abhi, we have talked about some names. Remember? Kanta, Ansari, Melanie, Swapna. Yes, all these names are very new. We have talked about these names in the previous chapter. Yes, previous chapters were there. Ab dekho, the thread that connects all these lives, they have been treated unequally. Today we have talked about these names, because while we were doing the chapter, we understood it very well that somewhere they had witnessed inequality. They were treated, देखो यहाँ पे one word is given, unequally. ठीक है? So when they are facing inequalities, when they are not treated properly, then what is done? What do the people do when they are facing such inequalities? Okay, so history mein we are knowing about so many examples. Many examples are there where we come to fight against inequality. Remember, the Britishers had come to India. Yes, you know about Britishers, and they were the ones who have really treated the Indians in a very unequal manner, in a very, here I would like to say, very unfair manner. Got it, children? Yes. This is what we are studying. This is what we are trying to get into. ठीक है, remember the Rosa Parks? Chapter 1 में हमने Rosa Parks के बारे में पढ़ा था. The women's movement, chapter 5 में we have talked about the women's movement. Now, some of the ways in which the people are struggling against inequality. Nobody wants to be treated unequally. Even the people who are coming to work in your house, or those people who are engaged in some or the other activities, everybody wants to work with dignity. सबको respect चाहिए. चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए? Yes, you will never deny it that this is one factor for which people raise their voice every now and then. अगर देखते हैं कि उनके साथ बहुत बुरा व्यवहार हो रहा है, something wrong is being done, then people definitely and surely raise their voice. Got it? Now, we have already read about the Indian Constitution. Yes, you all know about Indian Constitution. Every Indian is equal before the law, and it is mentioned in the Constitution. क्या होता है, many a times you might be very well knowing about the caste system. The lower caste people, at times they are treated very badly, which is very wrong. बहुत गलत है. Got it? Everybody has to be very alert while talking or while misbehaving with any lower caste people or any group which is trying to struggle for equality, such people must be treated with dignity and respect. सबको चाहिए. Everybody wants a dignified life. So how it could be assured and how it could be brought, that this is one thing that we need to be very sure about. Got it? So ये चीज़ हमको पढ़ना है. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में जब दिया हुआ है everybody is equal, so we do not have any right to discriminate against anyone because of religion, कि धर्म दूसरा है, सेक्स, विमेन है, मैन है, इसके बेसिस पे भी वी कैनॉट ट्रीट इन इक्वली. एंड कास्ट, लोअर कास्ट है, अपर कास्ट है, वेदर पीपल आर रिच और पुअर, ऑल एडल्ट्स इन इंडिया. गॉट इट? एवरीबडी हैज गॉट द राइट टू वोट. ये तो आपको पता होगा. Voting rights are meant for everybody, and during elections all the adults in the India are going for voting. आपको भी voting के लिए मिलेगा when you will be 18 years old. 18 years के below you are a child. All the young people who are still to achieve the 18 years of age, they are considered to be as kids. Not kids, but not eligible for voting. For voting, you need to be very thoughtful. Got it? So every adult is getting a right to vote during elections. So power is there over ballot box. It has been used. जब भी होता है तो ये power is used by people. They are electing their representatives. They are replacing their representatives. Representatives, these are those people who go and represent the Indians in the parliament. पार्लियामेंट में जाके जो लोगों को ट्रीट करते हैं, जो लोगों के बारे में बातें करते हैं, द पीपल हु आर स्ट्रगलिंग इन द पार्लियामेंट फॉर द राइट्स ऑफ द कॉमन पीपल. आम आदमी के लिए जो लोग लड़ाई करते हैं हमारे लिए. अब सारे लोग तो पार्लियामेंट नहीं जा सकते हैं. सो व्हाट डू? वी elect some representatives who go and sit in the parliament and talk about our benefit. पार्लियामेंट में जाके वही काम करते हैं जिससे हमको फायदा होगा. Got it, children? So we need to be very clear on this. इक्वालिटी जो है, दिस फीलिंग ऑफ इक्वालिटी कि बैलेट बॉक्स प्रोवाइड्स. हाँ, बैलेट बॉक्स मतलब वहाँ पे यू नो व्हेन यू गो फॉर वोटिंग, आपके सामने में एनीबडी कैन स्टैंड एंड वोट. वहाँ पे हम नहीं देखते यू आर लोअर कास्ट और यू आर अपर कास्ट. नो. व्हेन यू गो फॉर प्रेसिडेंट ऑल्सो गोज फॉर वोटिंग. आई होप यू ऑल नो दैट. वो भी जब जाते हैं ना, अगर भीड़ लगी होती है तो वहाँ पे फिर लाइन लगाते हैं, वो लाइन में लग के वोट करते हैं. बिकॉज वोट ऑफ वन पर्सन इज एज गुड एज दैट ऑफ अनदर. किसी भी इंसान का वोटिंग जो है राइट इज इक्वल टू द अदर पर्सन. मोस्ट पीपल्स लाइफ, ठीक है, इट डज नॉट एक्सटेंड. किसी की भी जिंदगी से आगे कुछ नहीं है. इंक्रीजिंग प्राइवेटाइजेशन ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसेज. अभी सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम जो हो रही है दैट इज प्राइवेटाइजेशन ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसेज. गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स आर नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली. तो लोग क्या करते हैं, प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स खुले हुए हैं, गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में 10 रुपए में इलाज होता है, वहीं आए प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल जाएंगे 500 रुपीज में इलाज होगा. रिमेंबर वन चैप्टर हेल्थ वाला जो चैप्टर हमने किया था, व्हाट डिड वी रीड अबाउट? पब्लिक फैसिलिटीज एंड प्राइवेट फैसिलिटीज. खूब सारा पैसा दीजिए, खूब सारा आपको, यू विल बी गेटिंग लॉट ऑफ बेनिफिट्स. As much money you spend, as much facilities you are getting. But then this is wrong. Health facilities are meant for everyone. Okay? Government hospitals are not working properly, so it has made it very difficult. Many poor people are facing difficulty. जैसे कांता, Remember Kanta, Hakim Sheikh, Aman. Good quality health care was missing. So they have to go to the public से छोड़ के private में जाना पड़ा. They did not have the resources to afford expensive private health services. सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम यहीं पे है. Nothing is more than health ना. किसी की जिंदगी से बढ़ के कुछ हो सकता है क्या? Can anything be above anybody's life? Any facility? No. Nothing anybody's life. Life-saving things have to be given utmost importance. सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस मिलनी चाहिए. ओके, तो अब जैसे अपन सेलिंग जूस, he does not have the resources to compete with all the major companies. ब्रांडेड ड्रिंक्स जो आती है ना, ब्रांड वाले जो जूस होते हैं, ऑरेंज वाला एंड द माजा ड्रिंक एंड ऑल दैट. You know, these companies have got such good facilities with such a good infrastructure. मशीनें होती हैं जिसमें कि ऐसे जूस निकल के आता है प्योर तरीके से, वहीं पे ठेले के पास में जो जूस बेच रहा है. इमेजिन द पीपल विल से ना कि हो इससे अच्छा डिब्बा बंद, वहाँ पे तो वो ठेले में जूस बेच रहा है, उसको उसका जूस कौन पी के बीमार पड़ेगा. ठीक है. Expensive advertisement is there, so people get attracted to these advertisements, and instead of going and purchasing local things, people go for branded things. Everybody, मैं आप कोई भी who have a little bit of money, good facilities, अच्छी facilities मिलनी चाहिए. Okay, so Swapna does not have sufficient resources to grow cotton. Remember Swapna ki story. She doesn't have much money, so she's taking money from the money lender, and money lender is saying कि she has to sell all her cotton at a very lower price. बहुत कम दाम में मनी लेंडर को वो उसको किसी न किसी तरह से सेल करना है. तो these forces her to sell her cotton at a low price. Melanie is there, like million of domestic workers are there all across the country. ठीक है. She is forced to endure the insults and hardship of working as domestic help. घर घर जाके उसको काम करना है because she has no resources to set up something on her own. अपने से कुछ भी सेटअप करने के लिए उसके पास पैसे नहीं हैं. So what happens? Why do we face this kind of, why do people face this kind of inequality in the society? अब यहाँ पे children, whatever is given in bold is important. Got it? All these states is important. Poverty and lack of resources continue to be the key reason. Why so many people's lives in India? India में इतने सारे लोगों की जिंदगी जो है, why are so much of inequality is there? Why are people treated unequally? We need to understand that. Got it? दूसरी तरफ क्या है? Ansaris are there. Ansaris were discriminated against because they did not have the resources. Same thing, Ansaris, just in the name of religion. What is this? एक तरफ हम इतना educated हैं, we talk about education, we talk about equality, and then the kind of mistreatment that was done to the people in the name of religion. They were not getting a house in a proper society just because they belong to some other community. Very wrong. Okay? So, यहाँ पे ये देखो कि they were having money to pay, but still they were not able to find an apartment for over a month. एक महीने तक उनको अपार्टमेंट ही नहीं मिला. People were reluctant to lease them an apartment. वो अपार्टमेंट उनको देना नहीं चाह रहे थे लोग. Why? On the basis of religion, we are seeing inequality. हमको यहाँ inequality कैसे नजर आ रही है? So, same thing was there with Om Prakash Valmiki. इमेजिन एक बच्चे से स्कूल में झाड़ू दिलवाया गया. Such a wrong thing. How we have seen that inequality was being practiced. We need to talk about it and we need to discuss about it. Same thing is there with women also. Okay? तो अब इस चीज के बारे में, like just see, you have also read that the work women do is considered less value than that done by the men. काम उतना ही कर रही हैं, लेकिन ये माना जाता है कि औरतें कम काम कर रही हैं, मर्द ज्यादा काम कर रहे हैं. तो अब देखो, so many types of inequality we have talked about. So my dear children, the online class, when you are coming, think of the ways and means people are treated inequally. Inequality कितनी प्रैक्टिस होती है, इसके बारे में हम लोगों को बातें करना है. Got it, children? So come, let's discuss in the online class. Thank you, children, and all the best to you. See you in the next class.